Hey Samantha. On behalf of everyone at the ACME Corporation, we are excited to have you join our marketing department. Your first day is this upcoming July 30th, but there are a few things we need to let you know before you start your first day. You'll begin in person at our Sacramento, California office next Monday. Due to the global COVID pandemic, we all need to take very strict precautions to ensure that we maintain a safe and efficient working environment. First and foremost, make sure you are wearing a mask at all times when inside our office. If for any reason you feel unwell or sick, please stay home that day. We can always make accommodations for you to work from home. We have spaced out all our desks 6 feet apart from each other, so make sure you don't pick a desk that someone else is sitting at. We also have placed hand sanitizer at every desk at our Sacramento office, so please make frequent use of this. Finally, at the end of the workday, make sure you wipe down your workspace with a disinfectant wipe. We also need to get you familiar with our marketing stack. We primarily use Hootsuite and Buffer to interact with our social media audiences. We've emailed you your company login information for each of these accounts, so please familiarize yourself with these services and their respective functionalities. It's also important to maintain open communication with your marketing coworkers as to avoid any overlap in our customer communications. We use Jira to manage our development and marketing deadlines, so please familiarize yourself with this service. Again, we have emailed you your login credentials for this. Finally, make sure you have the proper content creation software provided through ACME. Your device should have operational copies of Adobe Photoshop, Premiere, and Illustrator for your first day. Samantha, thanks again for being a part of the ACME Corporation. We look forward to you joining us on the 30th. Take care and stay safe. See you soon.